If you're looking for a portable speaker, then this might be just the thing for you. Say hello to the Marshall Emberton. The Emberton is a wireless portable Bluetooth speaker that looks great and packs a punch. The Emberton combines contemporary technology with iconic Marshall design to deliver hard-hitting sound while retaining a classic look. With over 20 hours of playtime and Marshall's true stereophonic technology, you can enjoy multi-directional superior sound for hours on end. It's small and light, weighing only 0.7 kilograms. This lightweight speaker is tough and resilient, boasting a durable design that features an IPX7 water-resistant rating. The Emberton is easy to use. It features a multi-directional control knob and Bluetooth 5.0 for simple connectivity and exceptional sound quality. The Marshall Emberton is a fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker. It sounds great and looks stunning with its iconic Marshall design. The Emberton is currently on sale now at MyGizzmo.com. Hit the link in my bio to learn more.